Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you get notified. So in this video we're going to be walking you through how to subscribe to WhatsApp Plus. So we all know that WhatsApp just launched these features and you can also get a free trial for 30 days. We already did a video on that, which of course you can watch on the top right or left, and you can also follow this same method to get your WhatsApp free trial if you haven't. But then if you have done that, or you don't have, or you are not eligible for that, you can just proceed and subscribe to the WhatsApp Plus. So all you just have to do, just open your WhatsApp as a normal way. Then on the top right, click on the three dots. Then you see settings right there. So click on settings. Then you see a page just like this where you see all your settings list. So you see subscription at the top. Then you can see click on subscriptions. Then the subscription page will load, so you see all your subscriptions. So currently when I was making a video, so I subscribed to the WhatsApp Plus free trial because I have the opportunity and the chance to do that. So you can see WhatsApp Plus. So I'm gonna click on this. Then for yourself, you also see all these features right here. Then the next thing you're gonna do, you just click on subscribe to WhatsApp Plus. So WhatsApp Plus actually costs 1,199 naira, and I think in dollar that's like maybe $1 or $2 there, but I don't know how much it will be from your end, but you'll be able to see. So then click on subscribe. So it's gonna link to your card directly from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So then you click on subscribe. So that is how you can actually do that. You can see for myself my payment method. You can see cancel subscription. You can see all the features that is also enabled. So that is how you can subscribe to WhatsApp Plus. And if you have any question or if you are unable to subscribe, you can let us know through the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.